concept called reconciliation of cost and financial accounts. Normally we call it a reconciliation statement. Reconciliation can be done, or reconciliation statement is prepared in two different ways. One is reconciliation of cash book and passbook, right? That is done by you in your the PU level. Reconciliation of cash book balance and reconciliation of passbook balance. By verifying those two balance accuracy purpose, we did that the reconciliation in the previous case. Previous case means in the PUC level. Now, what kind of reconciliation that we need to done here now? Reconciliation, listen this one, reconciliation of cost and reconciliation of which one? Finance or financial accounts. So we have the cost accounts, we have the financial accounts, right? So these two accounts are prepared by two different persons. Two different person means it is completely different one. Like example, cost accounts are prepared by cost accountant, financial accounts prepared by financial accountant. Is that clear? So two different persons prepare the two different accounts of the same industry. Say for example, same company, same manufacturing concern, or same enterprise. The same enterprise prepared the two different sorts of books of accounts. That is based on cost accounts prepared, based on financial accounts are prepared. Now, what are those the final accounts prepared by cost account and financial account? We know that the cost account, the final account is your cost sheet, and what is your financial account statement? Final account is profit and loss account, right? I will give you the hint here now. See, cost account and this side is financial account. If I say like this, think that these are the differences for you. So cost accounts prepared by who? Cost accountant. Cost accountant. This one is prepared by financial accountant. What is the final account here? Cost sheet. Here it is cost sheet. We call it is cost sheet. Here we call it is trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet. I think all you know that these are the final accounts for your financial accountant. Like that, this person prepared this statement, this person prepared this statement. But the question is, of the same industry means these are prepared by example. I will give you an example of XYZ company, manufacturing company. This company account prepared by these two persons, right? So the account of the company account is same. One company account prepared by these two persons. So these two persons means these are the two persons. But ultimately, if say for example, this cost account prepared shows that 1.5 example profit, and this person shows example 2 profit of the same company. So cost account record shows the net profit is how much? Net profit. Net profit shows the 1.5, but cost accountant to financial accountant, that financial account shows the 2 rupee profit. Is there any difference these two? Yes, there is a difference between these two profit. Why? Because the cost accountant use the cost records, the financial accountant records the all informations. So that is the reason that there is a difference between the cost account profit and financial account profit. Remember, both are prepared or both are working under the same company. Even though same company, same information, but this statement shows 1.5, this statement shows 1, so 2 rupee, right? Maximum always these two difference shows actually. Which one? Cost profit and financial profit usually shows different. I will give you one more step, that one. Example, by preparing the cost sheet, at the end of the cost sheet, you are preparing that total cost minus sales, that is a profit. But here in this case, which case? In case of financial accountant, right? Which one? Financial accountant. In case of financial accountant, right? The financial accountant prepares the final accounts, trading a profit and loss account, balance sheet, right? So that person prepares by using the profit and loss account. In the profit and loss account, I think all of you aware that debit side you are writing the net profit. So those two profits, this profit comes from the cost sheet, this profit comes from the profit and loss account of the same information, but both shows different. Why these two different shows? That is your work to find now. Which one? study is the reconciliation. Reconciliation means readjustment, finding the truth. Why these two are differ? What is the reason for the difference between these two profit? Remember, we are not preparing the profit of cost or finance of two different companies. Remember that for the one company, same company, cost profit and finance profit difference is there. That difference we are going to identify. First, this brief is clear to all. Come on, tell me. Is it clear to everyone what I said?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sir.
Is that clear? Why these two are differ? What is the reason for the difference between these two? Means, I said that the topic introduction. Are you getting the topic now? What you are going to learn now? Come on, speak.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Now I will take you now the theory. I think if you are getting this point, that is why we need to learn the reconciliation statement. I given now, there is no theory, there is no other information. Simply I introduce you the topic. So the topic introduction. Still the theory is there. So if I brief this part, very simple. Reconciliation statement is prepared to find why the cost profit and the financial profit is differ. Why these two profits are shows different. That is you are going to find in the reconciliation, right? So now I will take you the next page, theory. If I say it is a theory, what actually theory says that, right? See, costing a profit and loss account, reconciliation of costing a profit and loss account. What I said now, it was saying that this exactly para. So when the cost accounts and financial accounts are maintained separately in two different sets of accounting, nothing but two different sets of accountants, non-integral, the profit or loss shown by both may not agree. Remember, both may not agree. 100% they not agree in all the cases. When you prepare the cost account and profit and loss account of a financial account of the same industry in two different sets or books of accounts, obviously you are getting the profit or loss different. Not both may not be. It was always you are not getting the same profit. Therefore, it becomes necessary to periodically the profit or loss shown by two sets of account is reconciled. So why we need this one? Why the profit of these two accounts shows differ? For that we need to find the truth. Otherwise, we need to find the reasons. For the reasons we are making the one statement. Say for example, what actually includes in the cost account which is not included in the financial accountant. I'll give an example. Example, item A is recorded in the cost account, but A is not recorded in the financial accountant. That is the one reason. Example, in cost account, they written that 1 rupee, but in financial account, they written as example 5 rupee. So 1 rupee, 5 rupee, there is a difference there of the same item. Salary paid to workers, cost account shows that 1 rupee, but financial account written that as 5 rupee. So there is a difference there, expenses like that. So there is a differences for that. Periodically, you have to find the difference between these two. Write all the differences one side. Make a list of that. That list is nothing but called reconciliation. Reconciled. What actually you need to reconcile the two sets. Two sets means you verify that one on one like this. One on one means you find this one and this one. Right. Say for example, one item salary. As I said that salary. Here it is 1 rupee written, here it is 5 rupee written. Say for example, interest received. Here there is no amount written, but here it is example 6 rupee written. So because of these differences, obviously your profit shows a different. You need to find like that the differences. You need to find now these kind of items, why these items are not recorded. You list out these items. Example, salary one item, interest one item. Say for example, factory overhead. Here 4 rupee written, here also 4 rupee written. So this was not a problem because both side written is same. 4 rupee, 4 rupee. Not a problem. No need to write this one in the reconciliation. Which one you need to write in the reconciliation? Which shows the difference of profit or loss between these two. So what I'm going to say is, whatever the information written in the cost account, if it is recorded in the same amount in the cost, there is no reconciliation required. Which purpose reconciliation required? If there is any difference, then only you need to write those differences, make a one list. That list itself is known as which one? Reconciliation. So move to the theory now. So for this, we need to find a reconciliation statement or a memorandum. So for your syllabus, this one is not there. I will teach you only this part, reconciliation statement. Remember, this point is not there. So I will give you only this part. Which part? Reconciliation statement only, right? So why reconciliation statement prepared? There is a meaning here now. Reconciliation account is prepared to showing the reasons for difference between the cost and financial accounts. You need to write this theory. If they are asking the 2 marks theory, you need to write this part. What is the reconciliation account? It is prepared to showing the reasons for the difference between the results disclosed by cost and financial accountant or books. I will give one more example or one more theory. It is not in this theory. What is display here now? It is not there. You can note the meaning now. Meeting very simple. For reconciliation, the meaning like this, you can write this one. For reconciliation of a statement of profit and loss, or in other words, for a reorganization of the profit or loss of cost and financial accounts, a separate statement is prepared called reconciliation statement. I will repeat it once again. To reconcile the statement, to reconcile the profit or loss as per the cost and financial accounts, a separate statement prepared called reconciliation statement or account. So this was one more meaning. I think I given 2 meanings. I think I said that 2 meanings.
Sir,
And one
repeat,
more.
sir.
Hello. Hello.
Repeat, sir.
Okay. Are you writing now? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. To reconcile. Reconcile means reorganize, rewrite. Reconcile profit or loss as per cost and as per cost account and financial accounts. A separate statement prepared called reconciliation statement.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you are not getting the meaning, I think I will share you this video later. I can read like this and listen and write also. No problem. Okay, move to the next
Okay,
one
sir.
now. What is the need for reconciliation of cost accounts and financial accounts? Why we need to learn or why we need to prepare this restatement? What I already given you, the same reason. The same reason means what actually? To reveal the reasons for difference in profit or loss, right? To reveal the reasons for difference in profit or loss. What is the reason? I think I said in this Excel sheet. So maybe salary amount is difference. Interest is not recorded. One side is recorded in cost account, but it is not recorded in the financial account. The cost account. Factory word both sides are same. Like that. These are the reasons. For this purpose, we need the reconciliation statement. And second thing is this one is for to reveal the reason, the key point. For this, you need to find the accuracy of the cost as well as profit and loss account. To find the accuracy between these two, we need to find the what? We need to find the statement, the reconciliation statement. So why we need to find the accuracy? See, there may be a detection of errors, there may be omission of writing. See, in this case, So there is a error here. Error means 1 rupee and 5 rupee. So 1 rupee may be correct or 5 rupee may be correct. One book account, it is wrong. If I say 1 rupee correct, financial account return is wrong. If I say 5 rupee correct, cost account return 1 rupee is wrong. Like that error you are finding. The second point is here actually omission. Omission means this one. See, interest is recorded in the cost account, but it is sorry, interest is not recorded by the cost account, but it is recorded by financial account. So there is an omission here. This is called omission. This is called error. This one is called error. Example. This example is called omission. So for that, we need to find the reconciliation. Is it clear? This example? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Error and omission is clear. Error means you are writing one side. One side means two accounts are there. Cost. If I say two accounts means one is cost account, two is financial account. Any one side of these two accounts and is wrongly recorded the amount figure, right? Then error of omission means what? It is not at all recorded anything. Like interest is not recorded by the cost content. Why it is not recorded? We'll see that later. Then third point is to ensure the reliability. Remember, reliability of cost account, whether to believe the cost records or not. Because your exactly product is success or failure based on what? Your cost of production. So whether to believe the cost of production or not, for that reliability, you need to find the reconciliation statement. So these are the main three reasons are need for preparing the reconciliation statement. I hope that these 3 points are clear to each one of you. If you need the still the explanation, come and ask me. I am putting the question to all of you. Do you have any the confusion in these 3 points? If yes, just tell me.
No, sir.
Okay, shall I move to the next point?
Yes, sir.
Sir, last one more time.
Which one? Last point, huh?
Yes, sir.
Ravi? Okay. Last point is it
Yes,
says that
yes, sir.
reliability. Reliability means trust. So you prepare the cost. Think that you are a cost accountant. What you prepared cost as you are a cost accountant, you are preparing the cost statement, means cost sheet. Whether the cost sheet prepared by you, it's a total cost, that is cost of production. Should I believe or not? Because financial accountant shows different profit, and you as a cost accountant shows a different profit. Because I don't want any the truth or reliability on the financial account, but I need the priority. My priority always on cost account, because your success of the product is based on the cost of production. It is a cost of production. So I think I said that many times. The cost account is a present cost. Financial accounting the historical cost. I'm not believing in the historical cost. I will believe that present cost. Present cost means your cost statement. Shall I believe your cost account? Our reliability is then the cost account. For that, I need to go for the reconciliation. Andre, ನಾನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನಂಬಬಹುದಾ? Because I need to take the decision. Decisions are based on the cost records. Why? Because the cost account shows that actual cost of the goods, but not your financial accounts. In financial account, you are not at all finding any cost per unit. You are finding the cost per unit or selling price of the product in the cost accounts. So for that reliability, you need to find the reconciliation statement. Is it clear to you, everyone? Ravi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If anybody is having a question?
Sir, I need some more explanation. Yeah,
Which
sir.
one?
I
Santosh,
need
which
some
one?
more explanation about errors and omission.
Errors and I think Santosh is
Omission,
speaking,
sir,
right?
difference. Yeah, sir.
Okay. You need the explanation of this errors and omission. You see this chart. Salary is recorded in the cost accountant. Financial accountant, the salary 5 rupee. You see, salary recorded by the cost accountant is
Yes.
1 rupee, and financial accountant return is 5 rupee. So if I say that cost accountant return is correct, 1 rupee is correct, then your financial accountant return is 5 rupees error. Correct? Assume that if your financial account return is correct, 5 rupee, then your cost account return recorded 1 rupee is wrong. So anyone these two is wrong. I'm not saying that this cost of the financial account. One is wrong. So how
Wrong
to
one.
identify one is wrong or 5 rupee wrong? It is clearly you are in the problem. You
Yes.
know that exactly 1 rupee or 5 rupee, any one of these is correct. If 1 rupee is correct, then financial account 5 rupee written is wrong. 4 rupee is written extra. If
Yes.
this financial account 5 rupees correct, then cost account recorded under 4 rupee, under 4 rupee, correct? Under recorded. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
Huh, sir.
Okay. Omission means what? See, cost account recorded 0 rupee as interest received. This was a truth. From the bank, you received the interest. You cannot say that is wrong. Banker given you on your FD interest 6 rupee. This 6 rupees correct. 6 rupee correct recorded by the your cost account, sorry, financial accountant. But 6 rupee interest not recorded by your cost. Why it is not recorded? Because interest received. I think all you know that you are preparing the cost sheet. You are not preparing at all. Incomes in the cost sheet. See, interest received means what? Income. Income cannot be recorded in the cost account. I hope that it is understood. Your cost account
Yes.
is the expense sheet, not income sheet. Is it clear? So income is not recorded in
Yes,
the
sir.
cost account, but in financial account, it is you have the two sides, debit side and credit side. But for your cost account, only debit side is there. There is no credit side of your cost account. So only it is prepared like this. This is the statement like this is statement. Your cost example. If I say that only one side is there, why one side one amount? Think that this was your debit side of your profit and loss account. There is no the credit side for your cost sheet.
Profit.
The income recorded in the cost sheets. It means what it is omission. Omission ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು. Is it clear? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So most of your
Yes, sir,
100% of the questions based on this example only. What I think all of you listen. The same example is in your question. Exactly same question. You need to sometime you need to find. You need to find that question is like this. Or you need to find the question like this. Or you need to find the question like this. If both sides correct, no need for reconciliation. If one side amount and the other side amount is different, then you need to find the truth. Which side is correct? The other side you have to recorrect it. Recorrect means you reconcile. Clear? Then I hope that these 3 points are clear. Shall I move to the next point? Come on, yes or no?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Move to the next one now. So now I will take you reasons. What I said is still, what is the reason these two profits and the profit or loss of the two accounts are differ? See, items shown in the what is the reason? Items are shown in the only in the profit and loss account. Items are shown only in the cost account. So items shown in the only cost account, I think financial account, I think I shown here now. See, interest is only shown in the where? Financial account, like that. Some expense like this. Example, 4 rupee here, here is 0 rupee. Only it is recorded in the cost account, but not recorded in the where? In the financial. Example, depreciation. Depreciation recorded in the only cost account, but not recorded in the financial account, like that. So this was the two example for these two. Absorption of overhead in cost accounts, nothing but over recovery or under recovery and over recovery. I think I said this example. Assume that 1 rupee correct means what? 5 rupees in the financial account. 5 rupees what? 5 rupee in financial account it is or over recorded. Over recorded how much? Rupees 4. How? 1 rupee is correct. 5 rupees wrong. Then 5 rupee minus 1 rupee. How much extra recorded by financial account? 4 rupee. That is called over. Say example, if 5 rupees correct, then this rupee. Anyone tell me what it is recorded? Repeat ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು example. So I ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ. Assume that salary 1 rupee correct. That is cost account record 1 rupee correct. But your financial account is written wrong now because 1 rupee correct. But cost account financial account record 5 rupee. 5 rupee means extra how much recorded? 4 rupee. It is called over recorded. Assume that now 5 rupees correct. Then 1 rupee is wrong. Then what you are going to statement this cost account now?
Under recorded.
Under recorded.
recover.
Under recorded. How much? Same 4 rupees.
4 rupees.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
this
sir.
was one is only shown in the account, that is maybe cost account or financial account. Second thing is what, under recorded or over recorded, any side. Then third one is very important, difference in the valuation of inventories. Like this example, if I give you an example, think that opening stock 10 rupee in cost account, financial account 12 rupee. Assume that any one of these two figure is right. So if any one of these two second right means what? One side maybe it may be over recorded, over valuation, or it may be under valuation. Correct? If I say that this one is correct for this person, it is over valuation. If this one is correct for this person, it is called under valuation. Correct? Matadri, you say it yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
The fast I am explaining, shall I cut my speed? Slow I know. In fast way.
No, sir.
No,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Correct.
Good.
Yes.
So this one is very challenging for you. I am giving you only an example of opening stock. It may be closing stock also. Closing stock also same type, right? In the opening stock we have the three different items. Which one? Example, raw material is one item, opening stock, work in progress. Third one is what? Finished stock or finished goods. Same type for your closing also. This was the confusion part for you. File problem. Opening stock of raw material, work in progress, finished goods, or closing stock of what? Raw material, work in progress, finished goods. These two are the confusion for you, right? Confusion for you. I will explain while solving the problem. Next, reason for difference. First, you will take the difference in the item in the where? Financial account only. So that may be recorded only in financial account. See, items or incomes shown in only finance. Which are income? Profit or loss, sale of investment, interest received, dividend received, discount received, commission received, interest received. Simple, all income. Income are not recorded in the, anyone tell me? Incomes are recorded in the financial account or cost account?
Financial accounts, sir.
Account.
Remember all
Financial
incomes.
accounts.
Remember all incomes not recorded in the cost account. I said that for your cost sheet only debit side is there. There is no credit side. Your cost means the expenses sheet, not income sheet. All incomes are recorded default in a financial account, not in the. I think I given only some list here. So still many more items are there. You think that item is income, is recorded in by default it is in finance. See, no loss now. Expenses only recorded in the financial account. This statement is income. These are only income recorded in the financial account. This list is only expense recorded in the financial. Which one? Loss on sale of asset not recorded in the cost account. Interest paid is not recorded. Penalty, fine, damages, appropriation of profit, provision for tax, transfer of reserve, dividend, goodwill. Simple. Any item is written off. Just think this one. Any item it is written off, it was recorded only in the cost, sorry, financial account. I think remember all these items. If this item is given in the problem, by default it was recorded only in the financial account. Never it is recorded in the cost account. Is it clear to everyone? All you need to remember this point 1, 2, 3 up to this brokerage and expenses last to this written off items. You need to compulsorily have to remember these points, because if they given these points, it was not at all recorded in the cost account. It was recorded only in the financial accounts. Right? Now I will take you next one. Now only recorded in the cost account. Expenses only recorded in the cost account. Which one? Notional rent, notional salary, depreciation either said, interest on capital employed if it is given in the problem. But no need to remember these points. You no need to remember this point. Explicitly in the problem, they will give you example, depreciation recorded only in the cost account, like that. Rent of the owner's premises recorded only in the cost account. But remember that these informations are not recorded. Like loss on sale of investment, only recorded in the financial account, they are not given you. By default, it was recorded in the only financial account. That is a challenge for you. You have to remember this sheet and this sheet. But this sheet, no need to remember. It is given in the problem itself. And move to the regions now. Which one? Over or under? I think it is. I don't want to spend the more time here now. Over absorption and under absorption. I think it is clear here now in this example. Over under ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
Yes,
Is it clear
sir.
to, I think
sir, ಆಗಿದೆ.
is it clear to everyone here?
Yes.
Okay. I don't want to spend the more time on this point. Which one? Under absorption and over absorption. So now I will move to the this one, this part. Which part? Opening stock of these items, closing stock of these items. So I don't want to explain now because it is difficult to you to understand. I will explain this point. Which one? Valuation of raw material. See, it is given here. No? Over or under valuation of inventory means stock. Stock are three types: raw material, work in progress, finished stock. While solving the problem only I will explain, because at present it is difficult to you to understand. So I will skip this point. This one also, work in progress, finished goods. Right? Abnormal gain or abnormal loss, simple loss and gain. This was the statement we need to remember now. So before to start this statement solution, how to solve the problem, so I will explain you. Remember, I will ask again this point in the later. This opening stock, I will say that expenses. And this closing stock, I will quote that it was income. Is it clear to everyone what I said here now? Expense
Opening
and
stock
income.
or expenses.
Which opening stock? It may be raw material, it may be work in progress, it may be finished goods. Any of these three items are called opening stock only. Opening stock or expenses, closing stock or income. So how you said that expense and income? If you remember that in your trading account, opening stock record debit side, and closing stock where you are recorded? Credit side of the trading account. Tell me, debit side of your trading account is shows expenses or income? I need the answer.
Expenses, sir.
I want the answer for this from each one of you. Tell me,
Expenses.
which one?
Expenses.
Expenses. Then income.
Credit
sir.
side.
Right side is income. Is that clear? Okay, that's good. You remember this point, right? Expenses means your opening stock is expense, closing stock is your income. Shall we move to the solution now? How to solve the problem? This was the statement. So there are the two type of solution in the reconciliation statement. This statement can be solved in two types, based on profit as per cost account or profit as per financial account. Now I will show you only example of profit as per cost account. Is it clear to everyone? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Or no? Now I will solve you. There are two type of solution. I said that base this example, this statement, this rough statement is given as per the cost account. Andre cost account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದಿದೆ ನೀವು. Financial account ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೆ. So profit as per financial account ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ. So just I will explain you only profit as per cost account now. Clear? So you take the profit as per cost account here now. If it is profit, if it is loss, this side. See, it is loss. Loss means this minus side and plus side. Profit is plus or minus. Write the symbol. Profit is plus or minus.
Plus.
Plus, right? So plus. So plus means this side. Now take the incomes. Incomes is shown in the financial account. Now tell me, income is recorded in the plus or minus side? Incomes.
Plus.
Recorded plus. Expenses shown in the financial book only. So artha madkodili. This is the previous one. So instead of this, I will give you an example of my side only. So I will give you like this: net profit as per cost accounts. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. This was think that this was an amount column. Now I will add This was inner column. Add. What actually you have to add? Number one. Any income are created in profit and loss account. Listen. We are taking the base which one? Cost profit. Cost profit means you not at all record in the income. Income na nivem bidrangla cost account entry madrode entry madrangla cost entry agirade. So it is added. You need not to ask why it is added. Yak add madadu anta kelbeku ನೀವು. Yak add ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Because it is record only in financial account. Income ಅಲ್ಲ, income financial account entry ಆಗಿದೆ, cost account entry ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ add ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. Number 2, any one minute.
Sir, voice are breaking, sir.
Why sir?
Break
Hello?
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ sir.
Maybe your
Voice
internet
break
problem.
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ sir.
If anybody is having a break in your voice, it is because of the internet connection, right? It is not from my side. My side is I am using the cable internet. So from my side there is no problem. If the break is there, it is from your side. Internet nim sari illappa and barala correct agi. That you have to adjust yourself. Okay. Any first item is income. Second item is overhead. Over recovery of overhead in cost account. Remember, in cost account. Remember, over recovery of overhead in cost account. Idre add ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. This one is add, you have to add. This one you have to add. Is it clear? Only these two items. Next, over recovery. Third item is very simple. Over recovery of opening stock. Remember, opening the stock. Remember, over recovery of opening stock. Opening stock, which one? It may be raw material, it may be work in progress, it may be finished goods. If it is over recovery, you have to add like this. Now, fourth one is under recovery of closing stock in cost account. Remember, in cost account. Why I am saying that cost account only? Anyone tell me why I said cost account only? Here, ಯಾರಾದರೂ cost account ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಾನು? Because you are taking the base which one? ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಐತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Is it clear to everyone? ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ನ? ಹಲೋ,
Yes, sir.
ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? So any
Okay,
kind
sir.
of if they could given the question, you can do like this. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನೀವು, ರೈಟ್? ಯಾವ ತರದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿ ಅವರು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ನೀವು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನಾವು ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ಲೆಸ್. ನಾವು ಲೆಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನ. ನಾವು ಲೆಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಯಾರು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರಿವರ್ಸ್
Any expenses are credit in profit and loss.
expenses
Debited in P&L account.
debited
In P&L account, sir.
ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅವು. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಐಟಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್.
Under recovery
recovery
of overhead in
Overhead
cost.
Under recovery of overhead in
cost.
cost. Next third head on
Under recovery of closing stock cost account.
So under recovery of
Closing stock.
not closing stock. Under recovery of opening stock. ನೋಡಿ ಏನೈತಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಐತಾ?
Opening.
ಓವರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಫ್
Opening.
ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Number 4. Number 4.
Over recovery.
Over recovery of closing stock in cost.
Cost account.
ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು if you started with the cost account means your answer is financial account ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಫಿನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳೋಂದ್ರೆ
Okay, sir.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ ನೆನ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಐಟಮ್ ನೆನ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು 50 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ okay now I will give
Yes, sir.
here now this I think it is visible to all of you you just see the screen this question is not this one this question is 2019 5 mark question which one 2019 5 mark question and this question is 2018 5 mark question so better to instead of this one all of you see this for this question idu nodkodi idu beda because this question may be not now amel ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2018 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು this was your 2018 problem observe here now 2018 problem prepare a reconciliation statement from the following net profit as per cost account how much given net profit as per cost account 36,400 okay I will make the same column you answer me you heard answer nodani ivaga elli bartira 36,400 na 34,600 net profit as per this one how much 34,600 answer ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ in financial account
less sir
add ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ
Less.
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್
less sir
ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್
minus sir
Minus.
minus very good why it is minus see here now this item it was the item of this one ಈ item ಅದು ಏನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹೆಂಗ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಏನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಪಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತದನಿ ಎಫ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ₹1000 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಓವರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ
Add.
Add.
ಆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್
Second one, sir.
ಗುಡ್ ಓವರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಫ್ ಯಾವ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರೀ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 17,600 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳೋಣ
600.
ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಾನು
Preliminary
ಹೇಳಿದ
expenses.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅದು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ತಾನೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಹಾಕೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಇವು ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ತಪ್ಪ ಈ ಐಟಮ್ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ದಿಸ್ expenses are income, sorry, expenses are debited only in financial account. Preliminary expense written off ಅಂದ್ರೆ expenses only recorded in where? In financial account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? Preliminary
Expenses.
Written off.
ಎಷ್ಟದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್? 400. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಅಂಡರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ,
Yes,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಾನೇ ಅದು. ರಿಕವರಿ ಅಂತ
Yes, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದೆ?
2,800.
Then over valuation of closing stock in cost account. Closing stock is overvalued ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು?
Expenses. Yes, sir.
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮುಗಿತಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಓವರ್. ನಾವು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ತೆಗಿತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. So add this total 11,600. ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಒಂದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ಇದು ಒಂದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಡು. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಇವನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
52,200.
This one minus this one ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
40,600.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ,
40,600.
1 2 3 4 5 6 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡೆ 1 2 3 4 5 6 ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಈಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ, ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅವರು. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2018 ಇದ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್. 2018 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಮೊದಲು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಎರಡು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಇವನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನೀವು. 4 ಇದ್ರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವು. ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಹೇಳೋಣ. ಎನಿ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓವರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಫ್ ಓವರ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಓವರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಫ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಈ 4 ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಓನ್ಲಿ 4.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
4 ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅವನ್ನ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಓವರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಅದು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡು ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡನ್ನು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ನೀವು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಓವರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಫ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಅಂಡರ್ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಫ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೀವು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿದು?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
ಎನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೈಡ್? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾವು.
ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಸರ್.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Shall I wind up the class now?
Okay,
Now
sir.
I will close the class now. See you tomorrow with the questions, right? All you have to read the theory. I will send this video later. You read the theory once again. You read this format.